Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make a second Costco Kimchi Ramen. This is a second video what to do with Costco Kimchi. And today we need Shin Ramen. I bought this from Costco. I think it's like $16 to $17 for one box. It's a pretty good deal. And if you buy one box, I think you can enjoy probably 2 or 3 months. Costco kimchi. We're gonna use fermented kimchi. Previously, I told you that Koreans usually don't eat very fermented kimchi as a side dish. How they do is that they make soup or they do stir fry. Okay, this time we're gonna make soup ramen, and we need green onions, the mushrooms, and white onion. Just you can use any vegetables you have. Just don't get stressed about what vegetables you put. You don't need to buy mushrooms for this dish. Just you can use carrots or anything you have. Okay. Sesame seeds, sesame oil. Sesame seeds and sesame oil, you have to have it for this ramen today because this is kind of kimchi sesame ramen, and coarse Korean red pepper. Please cut vegetables first. If you feel like Shin ramen soup base is too spicy for you, please don't add more red pepper powder. And please add some onions. Onions have a lot of sweetness, so it's going to neutralize spiciness. And any vegetables you have, please add. And then crush roasted sesame seeds. You have to crush them for this dish. And you can prepare like half a small bowl of kimchi. If you add too much kimchi, the kimchi gonna overwhelm ramen taste. So just just half small bowl, and add soup base and dry veggies in the water first, and then cook fermented kimchi a little bit, and then add red pepper powder if you want more spiciness. Please cook ramen noodle before vegetables. Vegetables are really cooked easily. Then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil first on the bowl, and then add ramen noodle soup. And then sprinkle crushed sesame seeds. And that's it. Looks great. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.